my God. Oh my God. Oh! Damn bird in my garage. Hello? Garage door was closed. He flew right in through the freaking window. Slammed his head into this thing. Buddy! Ah! Hey! Buddy! You want to get out, please? Come on! Get out! No! No! The door's here! It's open! Yeah! Hey! Stop! God, buddy! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Come on, guy! Where are you now? Guy, Angry Bird. You into the tank? No? I didn't see him fly out. I don't know if he's in or out or what, but... I think he's in the corner. Open this back up. Oh, whoa, get out of here! Jesus! He's out! He's out! He's out! Close this back up. Guess I can't have this window open. It's always something.